Okay friends, now as we have discussed in chapter number 10, we are going to decompose our work breakdown structure. Decompose means dissolve, or we are going to add activities in our time schedule. Our structure is ready, we have made the settings successfully, and now we are going to add activities. The next stage is adding activities. We have broken down our work breakdown structure to the best level it can be. जितना तोड़ना है हम तोड़ लिए, इसके आगे ये टूट नहीं सकता, इसके आगे इसके अंदर एक्टिविटीज डालना है. ओके कि हमारा सिविल डिजाइन कैसा बनना है, उसके लिए क्या करना है. वी आर गोइंग टू मेंशन दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एक्टिविटीज. सो वी आर गोइंग टू मेंशन द एक्टिविटीज ओवर हियर. इलेक्ट्रिकल डिजाइन कैसा बनना है, उसके वो एक्टिविटीज डालने वाले हैं. कितने दिन में ये बनने वाला है इलेक्ट्रिकल डिजाइन, वो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू add up now. So just going to project and activities. All right, this is your page. Now this is the main thing page. Before it was blank. Okay, we have, this is the skeleton which we have prepared. Inside this skeleton now we are going to add our activities. So first of all we will see these columns. Activity ID, one column. This activity name, another. Original duration to be kept. Okay, remaining duration, schedule percent complete, start, finish, total float. So if you click right, okay, there are columns. Okay, click these columns. Here we will keep whatever we want to show. If we don't want to show something, we will put it total float. We don't want to show here, ये left पे डाल दो. Okay, start, finish. Start, this is the date when something is going to start, when it is going to finish. ये dates बताते. Okay, so as of now we don't need to show this also. Remaining duration भी निकाल देना है. So left, remove from list. We are keeping original duration. Okay, as of now we are keeping only these things. So apply. Okay, okay, original duration, start, finish. Again right click, go to columns. Alright, for example if you want to add something on the right, example actual duration, add to list, और उसको सबसे लास्ट में नीचे लाके apply. It's appearing over here. So we don't need this, put it over here. Okay, as of now we need this. Clicking on original duration. Okay, edit column, keep center. Okay, apply. See, 0 is coming in the middle. This is the way. Okay, so okay, now as we have discussed in our class, I told you that we have to add activities. So first click on civil design. Okay, and then as usual if you want to add something, add. You want to delete something, put delete. Okay, add new activity, activity name, just put it finish. And now here you can start writing. What is the first activity which I have discussed in the class? Preparation and submission of civil design. Okay, we are doing this. And now how many days it is going to be to prepare this? You are going to check with your design engineer. He will give, he is the one who is giving you the steps. He will say it will take 30 days. Okay, you wrote 30 days. All right, what is next? You have to go here down. This taskbar is very important. Okay, this has to be always task dependent. I will show the application of other things later on. Task dependent, and this has to be always fixed duration and units. Okay, this percent complete type to be physical. Okay, and here your calendar is what? It is apex apartment. This, even though हम वहाँ पे टिक मार्क करके रखे थे, बट यहाँ पे भी आपको जाके जो है सो इसको जो है सो सेलेक्ट करना है. So this is your apex apartment. Then resources, you have to do resource loading. Who is going to do this preparation, submission of civil design? Now you have to show it over here. So for that you are going to add resource. Click on the button, add resource, expand this page. Okay, take it back here. Okay, is surveyor going to do the civil design? Foreman? No. Okay, we will minimize this, minimize this, minimize this. Yes, not operator. Designers. Who is going to do? Civil designer. Okay, just add this, assign. Okay, click on assign and click left. If you click this, it will be removed. Example. Okay, this is the one. Sorry, remove this, it will be removed. Okay, if you want to add, who is going to do this? Civil designer. Okay, we went down, civil design engineer, and we have assigned him on this task. This is the person who will be doing the preparation and submission of civil design. Who else is going to help him? Again, add resource, it's CAD operator. Okay, assign, finish. So your design department engineer, okay, civil design department or design department, he will be giving you with these inputs. Now you see, right click here on this down taskbar in the middle, see my cursor, right click, customize resource columns. Even these columns which are there over here down, you can customize this. Whatever you want to keep, you can keep, and you can remove. So role, no need. Okay, remaining units, no need. Actual regular units, you don't need these things. Okay, original lag, no need. Remaining, no, you don't need this. Okay, primary resource, not important. Okay, we are keeping what is required. See, P6, Primavera P6 is ocean. It's so big that no one can do its complete applications. Everyone has their own requirements, own tools requirements, own options requirements. So for you to make a good time schedule and show to your client, work on your project effectively, what you have to do, you need these things which we are keeping. No need to keep all the things. Yeah, it depends on different kind of very complex projects on the world. It's a defense project or it's a airport, whatever. There, if any planning engineer needs any of these items, he will eventually add it according to his requirements. So we are keeping things according to our requirements. So now apply. Okay, there are 3 things. We need more things. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, go to units, dates. Okay, date is already there, start and finish. Duration, no need. General, I am expanding this a little bit. Okay, budgeted units per time, I will tell you what is this. Okay, start, finish. Okay, apply. Okay, all right. Now you see, my dear friends, you can expand this to view. Okay, all right. Your engineer is telling you, we are going to work on this for 30 days. Okay, and who is going to work? There is going to be a civil design engineer. So you will ask, how many design engineers are there? He will say, we are a team of 3 and we are going to work on this civil design. So 3 means one person is working. How many hours? 8 hours. Designers is working in office for 8 hours. So there are 3 designers. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So you have to put it over here, 24. Alright, CAD operator, only one CAD operator. Okay, so he'll be working for 8 hours. Alright, 8 hours in one day. Designer, civil designer is also one designer is working for 8 hours in one day, and there are 3 designers. So 8 threes are 24. You wrote 24, and now 24 multiplied by 30 will give you 720. In one day, 3 CAD operator, 3 civil design engineers are working. Okay, and each engineer is working for 8 hours. So if you add 3 engineers, it's making 24, and these 3 engineers each day working for 8 hours, they are working for 30 days to do this task. So that's why 24 into 30 will give 720. Now CAD operator, only one CAD operator is working on this task, your design engineer is telling. So he is working for 30 days. So each day 8 hours, 30 days how much? 240. This is budgeted unit. Okay. Again, we are going to add over here one more column.